For the markets, pretty much flat. So let's take it across to Kunal to get a sense what the chartbuster idea is. Kunal?
It's on a low beta name, an FMCG stock, ITC, and I think interesting times for the stock because it's come back into a major support territory on the charts. Now, this is the channel pattern where the stock has been trading over the last 6 to 7 months from the June-July highs when the stock was almost near the 500 levels, and now it's on the verge of breaking below the 400 mark. In fact, it did it on an intraday basis for ITC with a very near term. Now, there are two interesting prospects. One is that the stock is now heading towards a support of this channel pattern for itself, which means closer to this 400 mark should be a good demand territory for the stock. And the indicators have also started to get into a breakout mode for the stock. And the last time when we've seen this happening, the stock for ITC has actually gone into a bit of a recovery or a rally mode. So we can expect that the risk reward to enter the stock at current levels could be a lot more favorable. Closer to 400, I think could be a good buy territory for the stock. And we can expect a modest target closer to at least 430, 435 for the stock with the very near term.
Okay, so that's the take on ITC, but let me take it across to Nooresh as well and get his chartbuster idea.
So that's a chart for Eicher Motors. One by one, we've seen four-wheelers and then two-wheelers, every auto stock do well. We had a time where Bajaj Auto took lead, then Hero MotoCorp. Eicher Motor has been sideways and now finally, after almost 1.5, 2 years, setting up for a breakout. For the last 1 month, it has made 4 or 5 attempts around the 4,000 mark. Even today, tried to cross that, did not sustain. It has a trend line breakout as well as a 1 month breakout around 4,000. Also, it had topped around 3,900 back in 2022. So if this breaks out above 4,000, it could be a move towards 4,400 to 4,600 in the short term. So it's a preemptive buy here with a stop loss at 3,850 and a target price of 4,400 to 4,600.
Let's get some individual trading strategies as well. Kunal, what's on your list?
I'll go with the buy on Tata Motors as the first stock, suggesting a target of 980, stop loss at 920. And Castrol is the other name, which is also popping up on the charts, back again to a support breakout, as well as a rise from the previous lows closer to 198. Buy with a target of 240, stop loss at 196.
Right. And Nooresh, what about stock strategies from you?
So first is a buy on Sona Comstar, a new monthly and a 52-week high almost. Stop loss at 650, target price of 750. Second is a buy on ICICI Pru, a downward trend line breakout, stop loss at 520, target price of 580.